So continuing with the sum, 30 lakh, 36 lakh for cost of goods consumed. So it has increased by 6 lakh. Increase decrease percentage again 6 lakh divided by 30 lakh, that is 20%. Net purchases for resale 2 lakh to 2 lakh 70,000. Increase is 70,000. So, and percentage here is 70,000 divided by 2 lakh is 35%. Changes in stock 70,000 to 90,000. It is 20,000. Percentage 20,000 divided by 70,000 into 100, that is 28.57%. Employee benefit expense 4 lakh to 5 lakh 60,000, that is, what is the increase? 1 lakh 60,000. So increase decrease percentage will be 1 lakh 60,000 divided by 4 lakh into 100, that is 40%. Financial cost is 90,000 to 1 lakh 35,000. So changes in increase decrease form is 45,000 positive, that is plus. So increase and decrease percentage 45,000 divided by 90,000 into 100, that is 50%. Depreciation and amortization expense is given 70,000 to 1 lakh 5,000. What is the increase? 35,000. Percentage 35,000 upon 70,000 into 100, that is again 50%. Now we have got the total income here and all the expenses we have taken here. We will add the total of expense, that is this 2016, and for 2017 this, and we'll write the amount here and we'll find out percentage for this. Now total for expenses of 2016 will be 38 lakh 30,000. Total of expense for 2017, these all expenses will add and write the amount here. It is 47 lakh 60,000. Increase decrease amount for this 47 lakh 60,000 minus 38 lakh 30,000, that comes 9 lakh 30,000. Now increase decrease percentage 9 lakh 30,000 divided by 38 lakh 30,000 into 100, so that comes 24.28%. Now profit before taxes. Profit before taxes, how you will calculate? For 2016, 55 lakh minus 38 lakh 30,000. 55 lakh minus 38 lakh 30,000, that comes 16 lakh 70,000. Similarly for 2017, 67 lakh 75,000 minus 47 lakh 60,000, that comes 20 lakh 15,000. Increase decrease percentage 16 lakh 70,000 minus 20 lakh 15,000, so that comes 3 lakh 45,000. Percentage 3 lakh 45,000 divided by 16 lakh 70,000 into 100, that comes 20.66%. Income tax is given at 30%, we have to deduct. That will be calculated on profit before taxes, 16 lakh 70,000 into 30%. So taxes comes 1 lakh 3,500 for 2016. Similarly for this 30% of this we will calculate this amount is 5 lakh 1,000. 30% of this to be taken. Now you can use calculator for doing the calculation. For this it is 6 lakh 4,500. Increase decrease percentage will take 6 lakh 4,500 minus 501 000. That comes 1,03,500. Increase decrease percentage 1,03,500 divided by 5,01,000. So that comes again 20.66 percentage. Profit after tax. Profit after tax, how you will calculate? Before tax minus income tax. So 16,70,000 minus 501,000. So amount we have got 11,69,000. So here profit after tax for 2016 is 16,70,000 minus 5,01,000, that is 11,69,000. For year 2017, 2015,000 minus 6,04,500. So it comes 14,10,500. Increase decrease percentage taking. So we have got here 14,10,500 minus 11,69,000. So 241,500. Increase decrease percentage 2,41,500 divided by 11,69,000 into 100. So it has, we have got final as profit after tax in percentage is 20%, 20.66 percentage. You will do this sum. This is sum number 6 of your textbook, page number 204, chapter number 4, part 2, financial statement analysis, in your notebook. After this, you will solve the illustration number 2, 3, 4 and 5 in your notebook. These are related with comparative profit and loss statement only. Thank you.